In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook or Teams with Copilot in an efficient and seamless way. In our fast-paced digital world, mastering these tools with assistance from Copilot can streamline your workflow and make managing your tasks smoother. So let's delve right into it. To start, make sure you have Copilot installed and that it's up and running on your device. It should be readily available if you're using the latest version of Microsoft Office or Microsoft Teams. Now, once you have everything set up, you want to open Outlook or Teams. You can either launch the application directly from your desktop or use a voice command through Copilot if that's your preferred method. This approach can save you valuable time, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks. Once you have Outlook or Teams open, let's focus on how you can utilize natural language to command Copilot to manage your events. What's truly revolutionary about using natural language is that you don't need to recall specific command line prompts or technical phrases. Simply speak or type your commands naturally, as if you're conversing with a personal assistant. For instance, instruct Copilot by saying, "Add a meeting with the team on Friday at 10 a.m." or "Modify the project deadline to next Wednesday." This makes it incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to focus more on your content and less on the technicalities. Next, let's explore how to ask Copilot to help you check for available times for meetings. Often in scheduling, finding a common free time slot can be quite challenging. With Copilot, you can simply ask, "Find the next available time for a meeting with specific colleagues or groups," and it'll scan through schedules to offer you options that fit everyone's availability. This can dramatically reduce the back and forth often associated with scheduling and free up your time for more critical tasks. After coordinating your schedule, it's time to confirm and save those calendar changes. Once Copilot provides the options, and you've selected the one that suits everyone, instruct Copilot by saying, "Confirm and save this meeting for 10 a.m. on Friday." This way, your calendar is updated and all participants are notified promptly. It's as simple as that, no need for additional apps or manual updates. Your changes are instantaneously reflected and shared. Throughout this process, always ensure that your microphone and any devices connected to Copilot are functioning correctly to avoid any hiccups in communication that could lead to scheduling misunderstandings.